name's Caleb Scher. I'm a senior here in TRISTAR Construction. I go to Coldwater High School, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on the TRISTAR house. All right, so right now we're standing inside of the garage, and lately we've just put up that ladder for the attic, and then we finished this ceiling on the for the attic, and then we did just get done putting that wall up in the back. We have all the outlets wired up, so basically all we got to do left in the garage for these is put the outlets on and wire them all up. So right here we got my buddy Jake wiring up the can lights right here, so he's been doing a pretty good job on that. So if you take a look around, we got a lot of can lights set up. We just got those done last week. So aside of all these lights that we put up, there is a lot of windows and natural light that comes into this house, so that's always a positive. So right now we're just finishing up the soffit on the back porch, and then all we have to do left on the outside of the house is put the siding up, and that'll be it for the outside. Thanks for watching our updates. We'll give you an update here in a few weeks, and thanks for tuning in.